Hello everybody. Here we are in the second part of the lesson, which is about how do people change ecosystems. As we said in the previous lesson that changes could be either done by nature or those that are done by living things. In this lesson, we will talk about what are the changes that are done by people. So like other living things, people change their ecosystem. Some of these changes are helpful, but others can harm the ecosystem. Many changes are done by people, but mainly we will talk about three of them. First of all, we have deforestation. The second, we have pollution. And the third is overpopulation. These three are done by people. We will discuss each one alone. First of all, we start with deforestation. As we know, when people cut trees to build houses and other buildings, this may destroy or will destroy many forest habitats. So animals will lose their habitats and we will lose many trees. So cutting down of the trees will lead to deforestation. So as we said, people will cut these trees to build houses. Before cutting the trees, the forest will be like this. And after cutting the trees and after deforestation, we will have all these areas without trees, which will affect or make a certain change in the ecosystem. So before deforestation and after deforestation. Many effects are for deforestation, but mainly we will talk about destroying of the habitats, as we said, soil erosion because of cutting down of the trees. Soil erosion will take place, extinction of many trees and many animals because of this behavior. Less food for animals. So, destroying habitats, soil erosion, extinction of many plants, less food for organisms. All those are done by deforestation. The second one is overpopulation. So when too many people or when too many individuals live in a certain area, they will lead to overpopulation. Here we are not talking only for humans, but also with other species, which lead to more using and consuming of resources. So, a lot of people together in a certain area, they will lead to overpopulation. The more living things means the more using and the more consuming for the resources. And as we said, it's not only for people, or it could be for other species. The third one is the pollution. As we know that pollution is adding harmful things to the air, water and land. So this means that we have many types of pollution, but mainly we will talk about the air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. So again, adding harmful things to the air, to the land, and to the water will lead to pollution. And littering is a form of pollution too. So as we said that pollution is adding harmful things to the ecosystem, which lead to killing of many plants and animals in this ecosystem. Here we have air pollution because of these gases that are released from the factories or from the cars these gases will lead to air pollution. Same for the gases that are released from the cars. Here we have a form of water pollution. So releasing this sewage water in the rivers will lead to water pollution. Same for here, throwing the waste beside the sea also codes for a water pollution. Land pollution, throwing of wastes, littering, throwing waste from the cars causes land pollution. There are many effects for the pollution, but mainly all pollutions are harmful and they can cause killing of plants and animals in a certain ecosystem. What should we do to protect ourselves? We should drive less and use hybrid cars. So in these days, people are trying to use hybrid cars to decrease the air pollution. So first of all, using hybrid cars, those that are not using fuels. The second is treating wastes to remove the harmful substances from them. Third, planting new trees. Instead of the over and over cutting of the trees, we should plant new trees which will decrease from the air pollution. After that, we have recycling for the papers or the reusing for the papers, glass and the plastic, which will stop or decrease something from the land pollution. So here we have some suggestions that should be done to protect ourselves from pollution.